This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the unit and preparing maps. This is critical. First, charge to at least 80% so the device won't die mid-process. Once done, download the area maps over Wi-Fi to save mobile data and speed. Make sure location services are on and clear old route logs to avoid conflicts. You'll notice the receiver searches for satellites. Be patient. Signal lock can take 30-90 seconds outdoors. Now you're ready to create your first waypoint and start routing. Now you plan and calibrate. You choose start and end points and add any waypoints to force a route through specific places. Then calibrate the electronic compass by rotating the device as instructed. Calibration improves heading accuracy when stationary. Make sure the map datum is correct. WGS 84 is standard, so coordinates align. Next, select routing mode. Walking for trails, driving for roads, or off-road for tracks. Each mode uses different algorithms, so pick the one that matches your activity. You execute navigation and finish strong. Follow turn-by-turn prompts or use track view to monitor ETA and remaining distance. Glance at elevation and speed to adjust pace. Record your track and save waypoints so you can export a GPX file for sharing or analysis later. If satellites lose fix, move to an open sky, avoid heavy tree canopy. Then reboot the device and toggle GPS modes. Switch between autonomous and assisted where available. If problems persist, update firmware and maps, then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.